Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the installer has a clean environment. Check that Windows updates finished and restart. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account used for the license. Once done, temporarily disable third-party antivirus and any proxy or VPN because they often block downloads or activation. Then run the Office installer as administrator. Right-click Setup and choose Run as administrator. This prevents permission conflicts and lets the installer write files and registry keys correctly. If the installer stalls or fails, proceed with repair and targeted cleanup. Open Control Panel, choose Programs, find Microsoft Office, and run Repair. Choose Online Repair if Quick Repair doesn't help. If errors persist, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to capture logs and autofix common issues. Make sure to delete leftover installer folders and clear Office cache under %local app data %Microsoft \office. These steps remove corrupt temp files that block reinstallation and provide finish by reinstalling Office and activating with your Microsoft account. Sign in and confirm the license status. After install, run the latest Office updates to ensure stability. If activation fails, run the Windows Activation Troubleshooter and check your account's subscription. One key troubleshooting tip. Note any specific error code shown and perform an offline install using the Office ISO or offline installer. This bypasses network-related issues and often resolves stubborn installer errors. If problems remain, contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.